If you're over 50 and feel financially behind, I want to begin by saying something very important. You are not alone, and more importantly, you are not late. This season of life can feel heavy. Maybe your income hasn't grown the way you expected. Maybe expenses have increased. Maybe retirement feels closer than you thought. But today, I want to walk you through something calm, practical, and strategic. This is not about panic. It's about reset. Many adults over 50 are feeling exactly what you're feeling. Rising costs create pressure. Career shifts create uncertainty. The economy feels unpredictable. And when you compare yourself to others, it can make the stress even worse. But comparison doesn't build clarity. Clarity builds confidence. The truth is, most people were never taught how to adjust financially during midlife transitions. So if you feel behind, that doesn't mean you failed. It means you're adjusting. There are very real reasons this stage feels different. For many people, income plateaus in their 40s and 50s. At the same time, expenses often increase. Healthcare, insurance, supporting family members, technology shifts rapidly, and sometimes it feels like the world moved forward without giving you time to catch up. And then retirement questions start showing up. Am I ready? Did I save enough? Should I be doing more? These questions create pressure, but pressure doesn't solve problems. Strategy does. The first step is not earning more. It's clarity. You need to know your real numbers. Not guesses, not fears, not worst-case scenarios. Your actual numbers. How much is coming in? How much is going out? Where are the pressure points? Once you can see clearly, your mind calms down. And when your mind calms down, you can think strategically. Focus only on what you can control. Not what the economy is doing. Not what someone else is earning. What you can control. The second step is reducing pressure. Many people try to jump straight into earning more money. But often, the fastest relief comes from trimming inefficiency. Review recurring bills. Check subscriptions. Compare insurance policies. Review phone plans. Look into senior discounts. Explore assistance programs if needed. There is no shame in using resources that exist to support you. Compare prescription pricing. Sometimes small adjustments can reduce hundreds of dollars per month. Less pressure means clearer thinking. Once you stabilize, then you can explore additional income. And this doesn't mean starting over from scratch. You don't need to reinvent yourself. You already have experience. Part-time consulting, remote contract work, skill-based services, structured side income. Even an additional $500 to $1,000 per month can change your breathing room dramatically. The goal isn't hustle. The goal is stability. Technology can feel intimidating, but you don't need to master everything. You just need enough confidence to operate comfortably. Email organization, online bill management, video platforms, basic digital tools. Digital confidence increases opportunity. It reduces stress. It opens income options. It improves organization. You don't need to become tech-savvy overnight. Just step-by-step progress. You are not behind. You are recalibrating. This stage of life is not about catching up. It's about adjusting strategically. Clarity, stability, structure, progress. Small consistent steps create confidence. And confidence changes everything. If you would like structured, step-by-step guidance designed specifically for adults over 50, something calm, something practical, something that walks you through income ideas, expense reduction, digital confidence, and trusted national resources, I created the Life Navigation System for Adults 50 Plus GPT. It's designed to help you move forward with clarity, one conversation at a time. You'll find the link and the QR code to scan in the next slide. Take your next step calmly. You are not late. You are building your next chapter. Before you leave this video, I want to leave you with one simple reminder. You don't have to figure everything out alone. Many adults over 50 are navigating rising expenses, changing careers, new technology, and important financial decisions all at the same time. And sometimes what we really need is a clear place to start. That's exactly why the Life Navigation System for Adults 50 Plus GPT was created. It's designed to give you calm, step-by-step guidance to help you Explore extra income opportunities, reduce everyday expenses, discover assistance programs, build digital confidence, and make smarter financial decisions moving forward. Think of it as a private guidance system you can talk to anytime when you need clarity. When you open it, the system will ask you a few simple questions to help identify your best next step. So if this sounds helpful to you, simply scan the QR code on your screen now to get started. Take your next step with confidence. Because you're not behind, you're simply preparing for your next chapter.